Hey guys, Jonathan with jwallphotography.com, and today I'm going to be showing you a quick tip that's going to help you set the white balance of your real estate or other photos with one click. So, this is something we run into all the time with real estate photos. You have different colors of lights, and sometimes that can offset your sensor in your camera that says your white balance is supposed to be blue or yellow or even green, magenta colors. So I'm going to show you how to offset that with one click. Let's go to the computer. So you can see I've got this photo of this bathroom and I've got everything looking about right except for the white balance. These lights in here are super yellow. So I want to change that to make it look more like it did when I was there. I remember that these walls were closer to a white color. What I'm going to do is go up here under my treatment. I'm going to grab this little eyedropper. Now, I want to pay special attention to my navigator box up here because as I drag this eyedropper over, it's going to show me what it's going to look like if I click on that spot. So you can see there, it looks a little too pink. I can click over here or look over here, and that actually looks pretty good. So I'm going to click on that, and now my image is closer to what it needs. I can come back over here and fine tune this if I wanted to, but it's actually almost perfect. I just want to pick an area that has a neutral color, such as a brown or gray, or something in the image that was the white point that I want. And I'm going to try to click right there. Okay, perfect. Now this image looks like it actually did when I was there. So I'm set, I'm done, and it only took me about 10 seconds of clicking around to find it. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. We are going to have tons of these tips coming out, especially for real estate photography. I'm going to show you how I took one camera and one lens and turned it into a 6-figure real estate photography business. Have a good one.